Traditionally, we are wastewater treatment plants, and we treat the water to remove the waste. But it's waste in air quotes, and the waste in our case and the pollutants are carbon and nutrients. Carbon is energy and nutrients are fertilizers. The AEG DC task force has brought us together and looked at a single project or a multitude of projects through three different lenses. The lens of carbon, which is really why I come to work every day, and then the lens of resiliency, which is extremely important as well, and equity. And we're scoring all of these projects through all three of these lenses and determining which one is best for our ratepayers and for the community of DC.
The DC Task Force, our solution was to combine a unified portfolio that looks at equity as well as issues of climate resilience, justice, and sustainability across a unified portfolio of opportunities. What's important about the task force, I learned a word today that I keep using that's actually not in the dictionary, but it's the humanicity of it. So it's the human approach, and so it's bringing all of these relative experiences, background, where we've worked, where we haven't worked, communities that we've lived in, and bringing all of that ingenuity together to create and operationalize an actual equitable solution and outcome.
We were asked to respond to a challenge, and the challenge was about us identifying that we had a lack of a district-wide portfolio that was prioritized around carbon, resilience, equity, cost-benefit, and vulnerability goals, and that aligned collaborators and funders. And so we realized very quickly on in the process that it was first incredibly important to define equity. As we are thinking about these projects that are ultimately impacting our community, that was the very first thing that we did.
DC has extremely aggressive carbon goals, and we can be part of the solution.